I know there's confusion with bike classifications. I want to show you this cool tool. If you go to jessie'serides.com, scroll down, you'll see this icon right here. Click on it. What class is your e-ride? Scroll down, click the play button. Let's walk through it. Does it have pedals? All right, let's say the bike has pedals. How many watts is the motor? Your choices are either 750 watts or under, or over 750 watts. Let's say that we have, I don't know, a 500 watt bike. That's pretty normal. All right, so the next question, does the motor stop assisting at 20 miles per hour? Yes or no? You might not know. You're going to have to find out. Let's say that the motor does stop assisting at 20 miles per hour. All right, that means that you've got a Class 1 or a Class 2 e-bike. Does it have a throttle? That's your next question. Yes or no? Let's say, yeah, it's got a throttle. All right, you've got a Class 2 e-bike. And here are the additional rules that you need to follow. Now, let's go back up. Let's say it doesn't have a throttle. All right, what's that mean? Oh, that's a Class 1. Same rules. Only difference between a Class 1 and a Class 2 is if it has a throttle or not. That's it. All the rest is the same. So let's go back up and think about this one. Does the motor keep assisting past 20 miles an hour? That means you've either got a Class 3 e-bike or it's unclassed. So let's follow this back up. Chances are, if it goes over 20 miles an hour, you've got a 750 watt bike. So again, we're saying how many watts is the motor? Over 750. Does it stop assisting at 28 miles an hour? Because that's your next tier, 28 miles an hour. Yes, it stops assisting, or no, it doesn't. Let's say, yeah, okay, it stops. Oh, you've got a Class 3. All right, if you've got a Class 3 e-bike, you have to be 15, you have to have a moped or driver's license, and you have to register and insure the Class 3 bike. Also, these 4 things still apply. Let's go back up here because this is interesting. Does the motor stop assisting at 28? Let's say, no, keeps going. It goes over 28 miles an hour with the motor and everything. That means it's unclassed and it's not street legal. E-rides that can go faster than 28 miles per hour or are unclassed are not permitted on public roads, not street legal. By the way, up here, the pedals, let's see what it says about having no pedals. Well, is it a scooter? Let's say it's a scooter. All right, now you're back over here to figuring out this whole tree. 500 watts, 750 watts, etc. Let's say it's got no pedals, it's not a scooter. It ain't street legal. Off-road only, that's a dirt bike.